What are the hidden costs of owning a pop-up drink stand? Beyond your cups, ice, and syrup, you will face permit fees, propane or electric costs, vehicle maintenance if you tow it, and regular equipment repairs that most new owners never budget for at all. Think of your drink stand like a lemonade stand that grew up and got a lot more responsibilities. Sure, buying the stand and stocking drinks feels like the whole cost, but there are sneaky little expenses hiding underneath, like health permits from your city that need renewing every single year. Your generator or propane tank needs fuel, and that fuel adds up fast, especially in the hot summer months when you are running longer hours. Something people rarely mention is commissary kitchen fees, since many cities require you to prep or store ingredients in a licensed kitchen space, and that rental cost sneaks up on new owners. Your blenders, coolers, and dispensers wear out faster than expected because they run non-stop in heat, so repair costs pop up more often than folks assume. Even your tires and axles on a mobile stand need attention because bumpy roads and constant hauling cause wear that is easy to forget about until something breaks. One big mistake people make is skipping insurance because they think their stand is too small to need it. But one spilled hot drink on a customer can lead to a costly claim, so getting basic liability coverage early saves you serious money later. Another thing folks overlook is seasonal storage, since leaving your stand outside during off months causes rust and damage, so renting a small storage unit protects your investment. Lastly, many owners underestimate how much cash they lose to card processing fees, so comparing a few payment processors before picking one can save you hundreds of dollars a year. If you enjoyed this video, check out our online directories in the description below.